Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Now today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 16, My House. So we all know the place where one stays with one's family is known as a house or a home. Okay, so a house protects us from heat, cold and rain, right? We all know. A human being is brought up in a house. The base of brotherhood, love, and social life is created in a house, right? So, houses are of different types. People build various types of houses according to their earnings. Okay, so in many places, a house has to be made according to the climate of that place so that one can live a happy and easy life, right? So, let's see what the chapter says. So here one boy says that my name is Naseem. I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday there is lot of activity in our school, so it will go on for a week. So do you know why? There is a camp being held in our school. So boy says that one camp is held in their school. So children have come from many places for the camp. Okay, and tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay, right? So we have decorated the school beautifully, means they all are decorating the school. Some children have used piece of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Some have made posters using almond shells, while other have made rangoli using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay. Today is the first day of the camp and we are very happy, means these children are very happy on the first day of the camp, right? So in the morning we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle, and each of us introduced ourselves and spoke about where we came from and what we like to eat, right? So here we can see that all are discussed. Okay, children brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their homes. Bhupen's group was the first to talk. So let's see. Bhupen introduced himself and said, now what care has to be taken by those who are living in house made up of bamboo or wood? So mostly cooking on a mud chula should not be done in a bamboo or wood house, right? We all know. Since such houses are built in areas of heavy rainfall, their foundation should be very firm. So very heavy furniture should not be kept in this house. If there is very heavy rains and strong winds, the house can be damaged, right? Now Bhupen says that I have come from Molan village in Assam. It rains heavily in our place, hence our houses are made almost 10 or 12 feet above the ground. Here we can see that. Okay, they are made on strong bamboo pillars. The inside of our houses are also made of wood. Here we can see that house of Assam. Now, here some questions are given. So, see in your textbook, you have to write in your textbook. Okay. So, first question is, why are houses made on bamboo pillars? Where Bhupen lives? So, answer is Bhupen lives in Assam. Right. We already seen. It rains very heavily in Assam, so houses are constructed on bamboo pillars so that they are high above the ground and protected from rainwater. You have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now second question is, what kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have? Why are they made like this? So answer is Bhupen lives in Assam. So houses are constructed with sloping roofs so that rainwater does not collect on top of the house and can flow away easily. Right. Now third question is, how does one enter this house? So it rains very heavily in Assam, so houses are constructed on bamboo pillars To enter these houses, a wooden ladder is used. Okay. Now it was Chameli's turn. She said, I have come from Manali, which is a hilly area. We all know Manali is a hilly area, right? At our place, it rains heavily and snows as well. So, when it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun. Our houses are made of stone or wood. So, Chameli live in Manali. We all know Manali is a very cold area, right? Because it rains heavily and snows as well, and it's very cold weather. So, mostly they would like to sit in the sun, and mostly houses are made up of stones or wood. Now, here some questions are given. Let's see one by one. So, first question is, in which area is Chameli's house? So, Chameli's house is in Manali, which is a hilly area. You have to write in your textbook. Okay. Now, second question is, what are the similarities in the roofs of Chameli's and Bhupen's houses? So, answer is, Chameli stays in Manali and Bhupen stays in Assam. Since both these areas receive heavy rainfall, so the roofs of their houses are sloping. This is the similarity. Okay. Now third question is, how do roofs help in their areas? So it not only rains very heavily in Manali, but it snows too. Okay. So since the roofs here are sloping, instead of collecting on the roof, rainwater as well as snow flow down quickly. Okay. So you have to write in your textbook. Thank you, children.